Height of a building is 18 2 by 5 feet. The height of a tree near the building is 11 2 by 3 feet. What is the difference in the heights of the building and the tree? Height of a building and tree are given. It is required to find the difference between the two heights. The difference between two heights is equal to 18 2 by 5 minus 11 2 by 3. 92 by 5 minus 35 by 3 equals to 276 minus 175 by 15 equals to 101 by 15 equals to 611 by 15. Therefore, the difference between two heights is equal to 611 by 15 feet. Ram has 5 1 by 4 pizzas. He wants to distribute 3/4 of pizza to each of his friends. Find the number of friends he can distribute the pizza. Total parts of a pizza and part of a pizza distributed to each friend is given. Required is to find the number of friends that he can distribute the pizza. For that, we need to divide the total parts of a pizza by part of a pizza distributed to each friend. The number of friends equals to 5 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4 equals to 21 by 4 into 4 by 3. Cancel the common factors so that we get 7. Therefore, he can distribute 3/4 of a pizza to 7 friends. A car is moving at an average speed of 46 4 by 5 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 7.5 hours? Average speed of the car and the time taken by the car are given. Required is to find the distance covered by the car. We know that the distance equals to speed into time. Distance equals to 46 4 by 5 into 7 1 by 2.